Hey YouTube, today I'm gonna be unboxing this the new Anker PowerCore Fusion 5000 milliamp hour portable battery pack. This battery pack, I'm pretty sure it's new, but it's the one that functions as a wall plug-in brick sort of and power pack all in one. But once I open it up here, you'll see what I'm talking about. So let's get into it and see what it's all about. Okay, so right there it says, thanks for choosing Anker. Inside the box it says, America's leading USB charging brand, faster charging, 20 million happy users and counting. I've actually used Anker products many times in the past, so I do know that they are pretty legit. So once you get the box opened up, the first thing you have here is what's labeled as the accessories. Let's take that, open it up and see what we got here. Okay. Okay, so that seems like it's the... Oh, so it comes with a USB wire too, so I guess if you want to plug this thing in and charge it without putting it directly into the wall, there's your USB, I think micro USB, so that's what you get there. What else is in here? Okay, so you get, like other Anker power banks, you get a little mesh carrying case, I guess you want to call it that. So put that aside as well. And then our main attraction here. This is the actual power bank. And I'm not gonna lie, it's a little bigger than I expected it to be. I don't know if that's gonna be something that will fall out of the wall or not, but then again, with 5,000 milliamp hours, you expect to it's gonna be a little bigger than a normal wall brick. So you got two high-speed USB ports there, and then as well as the micro USB if you want to charge this thing without using the actual wall plug. Let's press the button. So looks like it comes with one, there's three LED lights there, and it comes with one bar of charge, I guess. But overall, not bad. Pretty standard looking Anker power bank. They all usually have this matte black design, the IQ fast charge technology. Weight wise, it's not too bad at all. I'm really excited to see how this thing functions, and for me personally, this is going to be a game changer, because the biggest issue I had with traditional power banks is every time I go to use it or I need it, sure enough, it's dead, and that's when I remember to charge it, which is a little bit of a pain. So yeah, over the next few months, I'm going to use this thing pretty much every day. Keep this thing as my main power source and my main brick for my Samsung Galaxy S9. And it's actually going to be a part of my everyday carry, because I typically tend to do everything with my phone, and battery life's always a big issue. But yeah, so you got your brick, or your actual main charger here. You got a mesh carrying case, and then a USB, micro USB charging wire. And then obviously you got your, actually that's it. I thought, oh, they're there. You got your books and stuff here. So with Anker, they always have this card. It says happy or unhappy, and their customer service is pretty top notch. So if you're unhappy with something, give them a call. They'll take care of you. A bunch of instructions. Nobody's really gonna read those, so I'll put those to the side. But yeah, when it comes to power banks, I would say Anker is the way to go. Not my first time using their products, and typically everything I've gotten from them, it's been top notch. And I will link this in the description, so for anybody interested in buying it, I'll put a link there with the price. I think I picked this one up for $35 plus tax. So overall, I'm pretty happy with what I got. Over the next few months, I'll use it and I'll do a review video, and we'll see how that goes. But thanks for tuning in today. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, please, I wouldn't mind if you subscribe. Leave me a comment if you have any critiques of how I do my unboxings, and I'll be sure to read those and get back to you. Anyways, thanks for tuning in, guys. Have a good day, and be sure to look out for my review on this product after I've used it. Thank you.